And today we're going to be checking out the VRIG selfie stick or extension pole, whatever you choose to call it. They have a mission statement on the side and it says a small brand focusing on vlogging accessories. It's nice to have a company out there that wants to help us small guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open this up real quick and see what all we get inside. And right on the top there you have a GoPro finger mount with a 1/4 screw on the bottom. Here's the thumb screw for the GoPro mount. Goes in just like that. Very cool. And then we're going to have the actual extension pole or selfie stick itself. And you can see it does come with an adjustable wrist strap or lanyard as well. It does have a 1/4 screw on the bottom. As you can see right here, that's a must for me because I do screw these onto mini tripods and use them at the theme parks. It has a nice rubberized grip. It is very light, I must say, as well. And where your 1/4 screw is on the top, there's actually a little rubber pad around here. So when you tighten something down, it's going to help it hold in place. And then to extend it, you just pull it out. It is held by friction, so it is a friction held pole. And is a 1.5 meter pole, which puts it just over 4 feet long. And that's about as long as you're going to need, in my opinion. Now the way that you set this up, so I'm going to go ahead and collapse the stick back down. You can see it does have a nice black satin finish. I like the rubber grip, it feels nice. But the way that you're going to set this up is you're going to take your finger mount just like this, and you can attach it to your action camera. Tighten that down just like so, and then you just simply screw it on to the GoPro mount. How cool is that? And you're ready for vlogging. And trust me, I use sticks like this all the time, and this one is going to get used quite a bit, because there's one thing, if you do as much vlogging and videoing as we do, is you can't have enough of these. Now your other mounting option, if you don't want to use the GoPro mount, say if you have like a 360 camera like this one right here, it already has a 1/4 screw in the bottom. So you can just take the stick and screw it directly into the camera just like so. No adapter needed. And you're ready for shooting all those wonderful 360 videos. So overall, a very nice selfie stick. It's going to get the job done. It's rigid, it's long, and it's pretty much everything that you need. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.